Brand new, OE replacement, UAC branded clutch cycling switch. Premium ISO, TS 16949 quality. Tested to meet or exceed OEM specifications. Maximum cooling efficiency. Thread size. M12-1.5 Female. UAC's line of electrical components includes the switches and relays that are necessary for the proper function of an AC system. They are produced at top-tier facilities with strong quality control procedures so that we are able to offer you a product that will truly last. Our line of electrical systems will fit most applications at an affordable price. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fix. Perfect fit for my 2005 Silverado. My clutch would stay on until the lines froze up, then I'd get warm air. Switched this out in a few minutes and now it cycles like it should. Just remember, this does not come with a new O-ring.